we, as a team with Child Nutrition Services and Sodexo and school gardens, we are allowing the children into the process and allowing them to be stakeholders in just learning about nutrition. And sometimes it's as much as just being out in the garden and they're tasting things for the very first time that they grew. And so it's kind of addressing the nutritional needs, the whole child, from planting the seeds and learning about how plants grow, but then consuming those plants. And I had to tell Jamie and Patty, well, I know we'd like to serve these foods in our cafeterias, but sometimes they eat everything when they're out in the garden and they're not going to make them in. And so into the school lunches. But so for our K2 program, so far we are only in Newport. We're trying to cover one part of the county at a time and build and learn and see what works and what doesn't before we expand. And so far it's just been exciting. Newport Middle School, that has been such a successful program. We're just trying new things. And so integrating things like hydroponic towers allows us to garden through the entire year. And the free offering bar at Newport Middle School has just been incredible. All of the herbs we grow have just exploded the flavors of the school lunches. And one of the students said, "This doesn't look like school lunch." And I just had to laugh because what Sodexo is serving to the students at Newport Middle School with the integration of what the kids are growing is so beautiful and high quality and flavorful, and allows there to be delicious food that's low sodium, low sugar, high flavors, lots of colors. Wow. It's just amazing. Sometimes the kids are harvesting edible flowers when they're in season and putting those in the salad bar. And so it's just allowing the children to come into this process and support the nutritional goals of our school district, and in a just really experimental and joyful way.